We're group 8 and we're going to perform experiment/test number 1, which is actually iodine test. We were assigned to show the iodine test. So here we go, experiment number 1. We start with the pinch of equal or slender and place it in the test tube, and we get a few ml of water, distilled water, and like combine them together and make a solution, an aqueous solution by the way, and like get about 1 ml of the solution, and then we add 2 ml of saline, 0.9% saline, which is actually just salt and water, like mix them in together, because like the 1 ml sample solution that we had, we were estimating, we were guessing that this was the solution, because we were not told in the manual to have like equal or slender. And then after that we place the 3 drops of the sample suspension, the sample on the evaporating dish, and like add 1 drop of iodine solution. But experiment number 1 failed. Didn't have any bluish color, and so experiment number 2/test number 2, still in iodine test. So since the experiment number 1 did not succeed, it did not show any blue color according to the manual. So we're just going to base the sample solution that the manual stated on the anthrone solution, because the manual said that we're gonna have to use sample suspension on the previous experiment, which is the anthrone solution, and so we're going to have to perform the anthrone solution as well. Okay, so we had the Sprite and yeast mixed, and we don't need that much, so we just need 5 drops of it. And so we dropped 5 on the evaporating dish. In here we mixed xylene already, but we did not put anthrone in this, because that will be in the 3rd experiment. And so we put iodine, but then again blue color was not present again, so we're gonna have to try another experiment. Experiment number 3, because the last 2 experiments were not really that successful, we were not able to see the bluish color that was indicated in the book. So we're going ahead in the experiment number 3. So the first one we tried is the solution that has equal and water, and then we add like saline and stuff like that, and then we have here we're going to try with the anthrone solution, because according to the book, indicated in the book, in the manual, that the solution used in the previous experiment. So we're going to use the anthrone solution for the iodine test. That's what we think. So here we have 2 cylinders, graduated cylinders, and the other one contains the saline, 2% saline, which is actually water and salt, and we're going to have to mix it, add 2 ml of it to the anthrone solution, which is a result of yeast, Sprite, and anthrone. Anthrone is a very corrosive chemical, by the way, and right now the cylinder is pretty hot. It's so hot that it's barely even tangible, So okay, we're gonna go ahead and start with the experiment. Okay, so what we're going to do is to like put 5, I think, or 3 drops of the anthrone solution, and then like put it in the bowl, and then put a few drops of iodine, and then what happened was it actually got surprising because it actually started to smoke, so we got terrified and we had to cancel up the experiment. It didn't turn blue at all. It didn't turn blue at all, so it, you know, it was technically, I'm not sure if it's positive or negative, you know, so I think that's it.